welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share how you can make a beautiful rag. It's not just a rag, it's a revolving rag. And of course you can use it for anything you like keeping your tiny jewelry, accessories, watches, keys, what's not. Any little tiny thing which you keep here and there, you can just make it and use it. But for that you need to add some edges to it. I haven't added any edges because I wanted to keep my spices in it and to make it as convenient as possible for daily use. I will also give the link of all the products I have used in my description box so that you can check that out. Also, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button to get the notification every time I upload a new video. Also, if you like to follow me on Instagram, here is my Insta account. So without further ado, let's start with the video. it will be helpful to you. You will try it at home. Also, if you do, please leave a comment below. I will really like to read it. And stay connected, spread love. Sayonara.